Thank you, DRCC Amit. Good afternoon, everyone. All dignitaries present, Rotarians, Rotractors, and all my dear friends. It is indeed a pleasure to be here today at this impeccably organized event and have this wonderful opportunity to share with all of you our first quarter journey as Youth Avenue team of Rotary Club of Pune Metro. Preparation for this Rotary year actually started for us much before actual year started, with me and my team working on identifying suitable candidates for RYE in the month of May and June itself. RCP Metro is glad to have 6 outbound students in the ongoing virtual RYE program, and we have corresponding inbounds from Brazil and Indonesia. In the coming weeks, we are planning our club meeting with both inbounds and outbound students together on one virtual platform, sharing their experiences so far with all our members. In addition, we are in the process of planning a joint activity involving one of our Interact clubs and our inbound RYE students. Exact framework of this is still being planned by me and my team. Last year, we had 2 active Rotaract clubs, and we were happy to have received charter for 3rd institute-based Rotaract club during the year. The 3rd club, however, could not get started last year due to some functional and administrative issues at the end of the institute, and it remained non-functional through last year. However, we persisted with our efforts with the institute, and we have been able to revive the club this year. I'm happy to share that we did the installation of the new BOD of this club earlier in this month. In addition, it is my pleasure to tell you that we are in the process of adding a 4th Rotaract club under our wings, and I trust to have the new club functional in the next 2 to 3 months. Under guidance of RCP Metro, our Rotaract club MCOE Electrical Metro, which is in its 3rd year of functioning, launched their first ever flagship event, EPIC. EPIC is an interactive lecture series, a platform for connecting and taking inspiration from successful entrepreneurs, startup founders, and developmental coaches to inculcate an entrepreneurial mindset and capability amongst the youth. This lecture series is designed to have one empowering session with a successful entrepreneur every other month and aims at giving our young generation a chance to learn from and interact with business achievers. Young adults today are full of amazing ideas that make a lot of business sense and are in need of proper mentoring and guidance for converting these amazing ideas into feasible business propositions. EPIC exactly aims to provide this platform for professional and personal development and honing up entrepreneurial skill sets among youth. At this very moment, as I speak, the 2nd episode of EPIC is being conducted by RCPM Rotractors and is being streamed live on YouTube. RCP Metro has 3 Interact clubs, and in the month of August, we conducted a very successful e-Raila on techniques of improving concentration for interactors and students between class 6 to class 10. We had a phenomenal response to this e-Raila with more than 200 children participating, and in addition we also had a lot of faculty members participating, Rotarians as well as district dignitaries at this 2 days event. Being an e-Raila, we were able to extend participation to this event to other Interact clubs and other schools as well. As we had chosen a topic that is very relevant and essential in the present times, when students are missing out on physical connect and engagement, this e-Raila proved to get a very high level of engagement from participants, and it was extremely heartening to get loads of positive feedback about the impact of the sessions from students and faculty alike, and not to mention a lot of accolades from the district youth team as well. We are currently in the process of planning one more event for our interactors, which focuses on environment responsibility and understanding our ecosystems, which is in line with the district focus area too. I take this opportunity finally to thank our most supportive district youth director Gauri Shikarpur and her entire team for being there for us all the times and sorting out all our queries at even odd times, motivating us to do more and help us actually do it. Thank you very much everyone. I look forward to encouragement and support in our ongoing activities as well all through the year. Thanks a lot.
रोटेरियन अभिजित शिंदे.